Welcome to the TagMatiks Wedge tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to configure and export your inventory data effortlessly with RFID. First step, setting up the filters. Tap on the hamburger menu from the upper left-hand corner of the screen and select Application Configuration. For the first configuration, tap on Filters and choose EPC under Memory Banks. Now, in the GS1 identifier, select GTIN and remember to save your filter settings. Second step, uploading reference file. Once again, tap on the application configuration. This time, select reference file and import the file from your device. Choose GTIN under System Field and GTIN or UAN under Reference Field. Add and save the mapping to complete the configuration. Third step, inventory view configuration. Tap on Application Configuration and select Inventory View. Choose GTIN under System Fields for Field 1. Customize a view as per your requirement. Save your configuration to complete the setup. Next step, export configuration. Tap on Application Configuration and select Export. Choose your preferred export format and configure the file prefix. Customize the export field settings by editing the default report or creating a new configuration. Select what fields you want to display in the exported file and save your changes by tapping on the checkbox from the upper right-hand corner of the application. Last step, taking the inventory. Once the inventory is completed, you need to tap on the Export button and select the location where the report is saved. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and support, please visit our website, tagmatikswedge.com.